Hi y'all, let's make something quick, low carb, and delicious. So first I start out with some already made grilled chicken. To that I added some onion powder, some garlic powder, some salt, and some pepper. I let that cook down a bit, and then I added some spinach. And to my spinach, I added more garlic powder and more onion powder and more black pepper. And I did not add any more salt. I let that cook down a bit, and then I put it aside, and I used that same pan to add some bacon fat from bacon I cooked earlier, some butter, and some shamrock heavy cream. To that, I added Philadelphia cream cheese. To the cream cheese, I added some more onion powder and some more garlic powder. And did I add some black pepper? Yup, some black pepper, but no more salt. And yes, I'm a messy cook, so I got mess all over the stove. To that, I added some cheddar cheese, and I'm going to stir that around, let that get a good cook in, let that all mesh and meld together, all that yummy goodness. Then I'll add my chicken and spinach back to the same pot, and let's see what this looks like plated. Isn't that beautiful? And I added some orange slices. Let's see. What have I concocted here? Good. Hot. It's good. Yes. But cheese make everything better.